equipaje, pasaporte y almohada. ¿Sabes a qué me refiero? Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Malkani. So by now you must have guessed the topic for today's video, which is traveling. So this video is ideal for people who will be traveling to Spain or any other country where Spanish is spoken. I'm going to do a series of videos which will consist of 3 videos. One, which is essential phrases at the airport. 2, which is directions and local transportation, how to communicate if you are using local transport. And number 3 will be essential phrases at a hotel. So in today's video we are going to cover part 1, which is essential phrases at the airport. In the meantime, I would really appreciate it if you do like, share and subscribe my video. And when you subscribe, please do not forget to hit that bell icon. So before I continue with the essential phrases, let's learn some essential words which are very useful at the airport. Passport, pasaporte, plane, avión, boarding gate, puerta de embarque, suitcase, equipaje, on time, a tiempo, delayed, atrasado, destination, destino, hora de embarque, time of departure. So now we'll continue with the essential phrases. So the phrase which will help you the most is ¿Habla usted inglés? Which means, do you speak English? Next, ¿Dónde está el baño? Which way is the washroom? ¿A qué hora sale el vuelo? What is the time of departure? ¿Dónde puedo recoger mi equipaje? Where do I collect my baggage? ¿A qué terminal va? Which terminal are you going to? ¿Puedo cambiar mi asiento? Can I change my seat? Me gustaría el asiento de la ventana. I would like to have a seat by the window. ¿Cuándo vamos a aterrizar? When are we landing? ¿El vuelo va a ser turbulento? Will the flight be turbulent? ¿Cuándo sale el próximo vuelo a Madrid? When does the next flight to Madrid departure? ¿Se ha cancelado el vuelo? Has the flight been cancelled? Este es mi equipaje de mano. This is my hand luggage. ¿Dónde está la terminal internacional? Which way is the international terminal? ¿Dónde está el control de seguridad? Which way is the security control? ¿Cuál es tu número de vuelo? What's your flight number? ¿Cómo podría llegar a la terminal A? How do I reach to terminal A? Perdone, necesito una silla de ruedas. Excuse me, I need a wheelchair. ¿Cómo podría llegar a mi hotel? How do I reach to my hotel? ¿Dónde está la parada de taxis? Which way is the taxi stand? So with this we've reached to the end of part 1, which was traveling essential phrases at the airport. Please guys, do let me know how did you find this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And while you're subscribing, please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a video. See you later. Bye bye. Take care. Ciao.